You can feel the aroma of the salted egg yolk. It's savory, a little bit spicy, and it's really good. Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. My name is Roland, and today we'll be making homemade tofu in salted egg yolk sauce. So let's start cooking. First, we'll start off with making the egg tofu. I'm using 7 eggs over here. Add in half a teaspoon of salt. Mix them up well. After you've done this, add in half a liter of unsweetened soybean milk. Slowly mix them in, stirring while you pour the soya milk in. Okay, so once this is done, we'll transfer this into a steaming tray. Line a piece of baking paper onto your steaming tray. Dab a little bit of water onto the steaming tray so that the paper can actually stick onto the tray and it won't pop up that easily. Using a sieve, we will sieve the egg and soybean mixture into the steaming tray. Gently pour the egg mixture into the tray. Just use a spoon or fork and then just press the rest down. For whatever that can't go down is fine. We'll just leave it and just put this aside. If there's any bubbles, just remove it. Using a piece of aluminum foil, you'll make a cover and cover the egg mixture. Make sure that the shining part is facing down. So place it down and wrap it up. Once this is done, we'll steam this for 30 minutes or until firm. So we'll go and steam this now. In a pot of boiling water or wok of boiling water, we will steam the egg mixture. Put the egg mixture in and we'll steam this for 30 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 30 minutes is up, let's have a look. Right, turn it off first. We will loosen up the foil and then we have a look inside to check whether it's done or not. Very simple to know whether it's done or not. All you got to do is just use a bamboo satay stick, just put it in. If it come out cleanly like this, that means it's done. Okay, so now we'll just take this out and let it cool down before we cut this up. The tofu has cooled down already, so we just need to take this out. So very simple, just get a tray, put it in like this and turn this up this way, and voila. Just remove the paper carefully. And there you go, one beautiful piece of egg tofu. Now we just need to pat this dry and then we'll cook this. I'll divide this into 4 pieces and I'll make 4 different dishes out of this tofu. So just get a piece of a kitchen towel and lightly dab it to remove the excess moisture. The reason I'm doing this is because one of the dishes that I'll be doing, I need to deep fry this. So to prevent splatter, I need to remove the excess water. So once you're done with this, okay, what we need to do is just to divide this into equal portions. So I'm just using a dough cutter to divide this tofu up. Just put approximately in the middle, somewhere around here perhaps. Just gently glide it down. There's 2 pieces and we just need to divide this into quarters now. So somewhere like this, just gently push it down, and the same for the other side. Just gently push it down. Okay, so when this is done, we'll fry one of the pieces now. Now we are going to cook this tofu in corn flour so that it will be crispy when we put it in and cook it in the air fryer. Take a piece out, just dip it on all sides, roll it around. After it's done, just put it on a dry plate. Continue with the rest. I'm using 1/4 of the tofu from the recipe, so feel free to do more or less, or depending on how many people you are serving. So once this is done, we'll just let this rest in the open for 10-15 minutes just to make sure that the flour is sticking onto the tofu, and then we'll spray some oil on top of it, and then we'll air fry it. So I'll see you back in a while. As you can see, the egg tofu is nicely coated with the corn flour now. All I need to do is just to spray some oil onto the egg tofu to help crease up the outer layer or the skin. Now we just take the tofu and put it the other way around into the air fryer. We put the tofu in the other way up, and then we will spray some more oil on top of it. Okay, let's put this in the air fryer now. So put this into the air fryer, turn the heat up to 180 for 15 minutes. Halfway through, we'll just turn this to the other side. So I'll see you back in a while. 7 minutes has passed. Let's just turn this to the other side. All you've got to do is just push it a little, and we turn this to the other side and continue with the rest. After we have done this, put it back in and turn the heat up to 200 degrees Celsius. I'll see you back in a while. Okay, once the tofu is done, we remove the tofu from the air fryer and we go and prepare the salted egg yolk sauce. Right, this is how we want it to look like. Crispy on the outside, as you can see. It has firmed up very nicely, so that it's easy for us to cook it in the egg yolk sauce in a while. Now we're going to make the salted egg yolk sauce. Heat up a pan, add in just a little bit of oil. Add in also a knob of butter. This is approximately 5 grams. Add in 2 cloves of garlic chopped. Now we'll fry this at medium to low heat. 1 piece of chili padi, or rather bird's-eye chili chopped. If you don't want it spicy, you can omit this out, no problem. 2 shallots chopped. A little bit of curry leaves. If you don't have this, fine too, no problem. Wow, smells really, really good now. Now I've steamed 2 salted egg yolk, and I've also mashed them up like this. We'll just pour this right into here, right into the pan. We'll fry this until there's bubbles. This will take approximately maybe 1 or 2 minutes. I've steamed the egg yolks for approximately 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, as you can see, they are foaming now, which means that the sauce is almost ready. Always remember, medium to low heat, don't turn the heat up too high because we don't want the sauce to be too dark. Now we're going to add in a little bit of seasoning, about 3/4 of a teaspoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. Now we'll add in the egg tofu, which we have air fried just now. This approximately 200 grams. In case you do not want to make your own egg tofu, you can actually go and buy ready-made one. Let's give this a toss and make sure they are well coated. This is going to be so delicious. Okay, time to serve them. And the dish is done. So let's have a taste. You can feel the aroma of the salted egg yolk. It's savory, a little bit spicy, and it's really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.